lesson 5.1, problem number 14. We gotta find like the ratio of like the forces or whatever. So what we're gonna do is obviously we have the tension of the weight here, and we have these two ropes here which have obviously two tension in them, F1 and F2. So then we have these two angles X and Y. So we know that F1 can be broken down into horizontal, or these two things can be broken down into horizontal and vertical components. So F1 sine X for this side because opposite, F cosine Y because again this is opposite. That should be an X actually, but so these cosines is adjacent. Same thing here. So then what you do is you just set an equation because you know this isn't moving anywhere, right? This isn't going back and forth. So you know that the force is equal to 0. So that means that you can set it's equal to each other, and you have that the ratio between F1 and F2 is sine X over sine Y. So then to find the ratio between EA and EB, then you just have to more or less do the same thing, right? So you have that right. You can write EA as tan Y of ED, and ED is tan X of EB, and you just have to do some multiplication and stuff, and trig properties, so tangent is sine over cosine, yeah, so we just do that here, sine Y over sine X, and that is equal to our previous ratio right here, so we can substitute the F in, and so we only have it as F1 cosine X over F2 cosine Y. And that is problem number 14, lesson 5.1.